Welcome to Tripower Environmental Energy. In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to set the domestic hot water temperature setting. Again, we have a jog wheel which will allow us to set different settings. We have this which will allow us to set parameters within, and then in the middle of this button we have an enter button. So we want to set the domestic hot water set point temperatures, of which you have a possibility of 3 every day. So we want to go to this symbol here with the tap and the temperature gauge. And we go from the top here, and we scroll down till we get to here, and you'll see the screen has changed. So we have domestic hot water set temperature, and we have temperature domestic hot water set point 1, 2, and if I scroll you'll see a set point 3, and that box is highlighted. So any box that is highlighted you can adjust. So we highlight box 1 for example, and we press enter, and you'll see that it's preset at the moment at 60 degrees. We have a setting temperature from 10 to 70 degrees. Most houses are set for the domestic hot water storage at 60 degrees. So we can scroll through this, but we'll keep this back up at 60. And you'll see that this small line across, when I go over the top of this, is 60 degrees, which is the manufacturer's recommended setting for when you want the hot water on. And on a GCU series boiler, you have a 300 or 500 litre cylinder, so you have a lot of storage. So we press enter to accept, you'll see the tick, that's it set. We go to the next one, set point 2 if you're using it, you'll see that we have it reduced to 30 degrees. And the reason for that is because during the day at our showroom, we try to collect as much solar energy as possible. So because the solar is linked to the boiler, we want the temperature of the cylinder at a low temperature to attract as much solar energy as possible. So it's setting that at 30, the boiler usually ignores the domestic hot water temperature. But again, it depends what you have set in the domestic hot water temperature setting in this mode. So we go back out by pressing this, which brings us back out again. And we can set point 2, we go into that, we can see that's 60 degrees. So we would have, say in the evening time, that going up to 60 degrees. So if you didn't get any sun after say 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock at night time, you would tell the boiler, bring the temperature up to 60 degrees. If the solar hasn't already done so, the boiler will then do it using the fuel. Press this out, and then we can scroll back to the main menu. And again, we're at the back home screen.